Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be telling you about the best deals going on over at Walgreens. I'm also going to show you how I put the deals together and used a digital booster as well as a paper booster. So I'll do that towards the end. I didn't see a ton of stuff on clearance. I will include what I saw at the end of the video, but just a heads up, I want to say it was Friday. Valentine's items went 80% off at my store. The candy went 70% off. And then winter items, check your store because my store had a number of things marked 90% off. So those were all clearance things that I wanted to mention for you guys to keep a heads up on. If you're not frequently checking the community tab on my page in YouTube, I would encourage you to do that because I've been posting more like daily deals there. So if you're on my YouTube page, you'll see something that says community. If you click there, it's going to show you the deals that I post daily. So I would get in the habit of checking that if you're wanting to know the deals that are popping up in between videos. And one of the deals that I posted is on the Kellogg's products, and I'm going to walk you through that one here this morning. So let's talk about that one first. There is a promotion right now with Kellogg's. When you go to breakfastforall.com, you buy a Kellogg's product, you submit your receipt, they're going to send you a $5 coupon towards a free Kellogg's product. They're also going to donate $5 to No Kid Hungry. So I purchased the items at CVS last week because they were buy one, get one free. They're also buy one, get one free at Walgreens. So if you pick up 2 Kellogg's products, and I picked up the jumbo snacks, they are $4.29. They are buy one, get one free. So $4.29 for both of them. Now, there's also an Ibotta offer for 75 cents back on each. So I got $1.50 back on Ibotta, making my final cost $2.79 or $1.39 each. But then I submit my receipt to the Breakfast for All website, and I get a $5 coupon towards a free breakfast item. So I'm getting another breakfast item for free. So basically it's buy one, get 2 free, plus I'm getting money back on Ibotta. Now that email from Breakfast for All took less than 24 hours, but I didn't get anything right away. It wasn't until the next morning that I got something back from them. So I will link that down below, but really good deal at Walgreens. I haven't checked the CVS ad this week yet. That's normally what I do right after this video. So stay tuned for that. A couple of people have asked me recently, do you do CVS videos? So yes, sometimes when the deals are really good, but lately I've just been doing matchups and pictures and posting those to the community tab. So again, check that community tab. Now, another Ibotta offer, I didn't pick it up, but it's a decent deal and you could use Walgreens Cash to pay. It's on the mac and cheese. The Kraft Original Mac and Cheese is $1.25 on sale this week. There is a 20-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.05. Not a bad price. It's comparable to what you would pay at Walmart. Now, another grocery deal that I noticed was on the Quaker Oats. These big canisters of Quaker Oats are on sale, 2 for $8. So it makes them $4 each. That beats my grocery store price. So if you need some oats and you want to use your Walgreens Cash to pay, you absolutely could. Keep an eye on Ibotta because we get Quaker Ibotta rebates. I just didn't have one right now. So if one pops up later in the week, this would be an even better deal. So I think that was all the food that I did this week. The Vita Fusion Cranberry. Here's a freebie you can snag with Ibotta. Now this one requires you to spend money out of pocket. These are $13.99 each. I did this curbside. They're buy one, get one 50% off. There's also a $10 digital coupon. So after both of those come off, you need to pay $10.98. Don't use your Walgreens Cash to pay because there is a spend promotion. Spend $20, get $5 back. So I did spend $10.98. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash when I picked it up. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got $3.50 back on each of them, so $7 back there, making both items completely free and $1.02 moneymaker. Now, could you do this deal in store and pay your total down using manufacturer register rewards? Yes, you could. I'm just not 100% sure what the in-store price is on these. It could be higher than the online price, but that was a freebie I snagged this morning. This is an easy deal here. The Blink contacts, these are $7.99. There is a $4 store digital as well as a $3 manufacturer digital. You can use both. That brings your total to just 99 cents. Of course, you could use your Walgreens cash to pay or register rewards to pay. I did this as a curbside deal. I also placed the Colace as a curbside deal. This is the 28 count. So these are $8.99. There is a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $5.99, get back $4 on Ibotta, making it just $1.99. Now, if it's not a product that you need or use, not a great price, but I wanted to mention it to you. I believe both of these products are also part of a spend 20 get 5 deal this week, so you could build it up and end up getting an additional $5 back. So that's something to consider. Now the Dove, this is an easy deal. These are $7 each. That's $14 for 2 of them. There's a $7 digital coupon, so you'll pay $7 and then get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making your final cost $3 or just $1.50 each. That is a really good price for the Dove body wash. You could do women's or men's body wash. The Nexus, so this is $11.99, this multi-styler weightless. It's $11.99 curbside, it's $11.99 in-store. For me, I double-checked this morning. There's a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $6.99 at the register. You'll get back $4 on Shopkick, as well as $2 on Fetch rewards, making your final cost just 99 cents. And I use this as part of my spend booster, so I'll tell you about that here in a second. Now, even better, if you're not using Shopkick app, definitely grab the app, completely free. Use the code SWC5 because you'll score an additional $5 back when you scan that first receipt. Now, all of these products here, the Tide Liquid, the Tide Pods, the Bounce, they are all 4 for $9. So $2.25 each. Really good price for Tide. But this is how I chose to use my spend booster. So in my Walgreens account under coupons, I had a digital booster for spend 25, get 6. Okay, so that was mine this week. It was a little bit different. Spend 25, get 6. I had a paper booster for spend 40, get 9. So I put those together and did one transaction since I was going to be spending the money out of pocket anyway. Let me show you what I got. I got 8 of the Tide Bounce products at 4 for $9. So 8 of them is going to total me $18. I picked up the 2 Dove at $14, and then I picked up the Nexus at $11.99. I had the $5 digital for the Nexus. I had the $7 digital for the Dove. I did not have any coupons for the Tide. If you do, you could use those. Now, after those 2 coupons, I paid $31.99. I know that's a lot out of pocket, and I know people are going to drop comments that that's not couponing because you spent too much money out of pocket. If you have manufacturer register rewards, you can use those to pay down your balance. Don't use a store register reward. I paid the $31.99. I got back $9 from my paper booster. I got back $6 from my digital booster. $4 back on Shopkick for the Nexus, $2 back on Fetch for the Nexus, and then the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Dove. So super great deal when I put it all together for me. Now, someone left a comment yesterday like, hey, I want to know how to get the items I want because the items you're buying aren't things that I need. I totally get that. My advice to you would be to watch my Walgreens tutorial videos, and I'll drop those down below in the comments, because those teach you how register rewards work, how Walgreens cash works, how spend deals works, how boosters work, and then you can put together the deals however you want with the products that you want to purchase. The ones that I show you aren't necessarily what I would buy if I was just shopping for myself and didn't have a YouTube channel. The ones I'm showing you are the ones that are the highest cost savings each week that I can find, combined with things that I want for my family as well. So hopefully that made sense. Now, if y'all have questions on any of this, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. If you are finding other deals, better deals, awesome deals, please share those in the comments as well. I want to see us helping each other out. Oh, there were two things I wanted to tell you about, and I was trying to remember before I got off of here. One, I have a giveaway going on over on my YouTube, which I haven't done in forever, so check out my Walmart Target haul from last week, because I'm giving away 2 $50 gift cards, so definitely check that out. I'm also doing a giveaway on Instagram right now that ends on the 21st, so check that out as well. Lastly, a lot of people have asked me about Temu and if I've shopped there, what I thought. I have a complete review of that, what I purchased. I show you what I got. I try on a few things that I bought, and then give you my honest review. So check that video out as well. Hope you guys have an amazing week. Thanks.